Anyways. Yeah, what's the score of the I don't do anything.
Excuse me, boss.
What's up, bro?
I'll give you 100.
Bro, this just makes you want to dance. I wish, dude, does McDonald's still serve steak, egg, and cheese bagels right now?
Oh wow, blacked out.
중고. 누구로 미룰 수 없지만 중고 LC사인 미룰 수 있어요. 최고의 서비스, 최고의 공장, 최고의 품질. 이 스타일 지금 엄청 인기 있어요. 가게에 붙여서 비즈니스 다시.
Back with a steaming loaf. Stupid Shingy. Oh, Jason. I don't have great friends. I have the best friend. I don't know what to say. Yeah, he's basically. Sam should play this one next. He does. That's his thing. I need that song. I want to make it an intro, dude. You fuck. In the fucking goddamn game? Jesus Christ. Log in to begin? I already logged in, I thought. Oh, alright, Robert. Yes, let China take control of my PC. And they identify as a chick, and they fucking just bitch and complain and piss and moan their way to the man. I don't know which it is. Hi, Patience. Good morning. Cynthia and Patience think he likes. So you're getting banned over there. I like weird Remy thing. The Remy's family, goddamn. Again. Heavy as fuck. Fuck. I don't want to be the driver. That's how you gotta be, man. Especially I'm new. I'm not... Gas station. Boner pills. Images. Fat pigs like this. Fat, fucking useless, stinky, fucking absolutely nothing productive to humanity pigs. Getting Well, this is piquing my interest. The trans man who had an abortion. Fucking goddamn machine gun. I don't know who this is, sir. No, just call the police. It's like, okay. Little documented firearm owner. I can't believe that's real. Someone lost their job over that fat, useless asshole. I have a hard time dealing with that. That sucks. Because the guy's obviously driving for Uber. And he's not like... Here we go. Slow. I don't know about soon, Matt. Eventually I will. Shit, comments went nuts. I can't see them. Growth. Boy. Bron. What's your name? Bronson? Like, hey Barrett, what up? Bro, $30 for this? I'm fine with that.
Boner pills takes your pink from soft to hard as a fucking rock, and they only cost $4. I think that's a reasonable cost, especially to get off. Fuck yeah, dude, I take two.
Fuck. Yo, Aaron Hughes, what's up, dude? Big boobs McGee. This fat fuck's voice got a guy fired, and Uber's like, oh no, I'm so sorry. If I was the fucking CEO of Uber, I'd be like, nah, listen, I'm annoyed, I guess. You want to meet the baby? Whitney, you know what you do? You just go to April, go to Milwaukee. All of us are going to be there. What's up, Tanner? I don't think he did either. I think Jerry's just... The Microsoft Clip Champ, I just put 2 videos in. And then you just basically, they're on top of each other. And then you just size them and make sure the proper one is above. So it is, you know, so you... Just move on with your day. Observant, dumb Trollson. I don't know. This is a cool random. It hasn't been, when I downloaded it, it was still being moderated. Oh, I'm sure it's intermediate though. It feels there's been a few like fucking like the biggest tits I've ever seen. Like I've ever seen, but I've ever fucking messed around with. Huge boobs, but she was really short. A little fat butt, but she was like so compact. That was the chick that squirted everywhere. So hard, but I don't care. It'll be fun. I didn't bully you. Florida's a fucking sweetheart, Tiffany. Yeah, neither do I. Oh, okay. I guess I gotta go in the house. What are these berries? Ooh. See what she says, chat. Baby, I'm just tired. I'm gonna go to bed. And she's like, that's fine. And I go to bed and she comes in, she like, kicks the door open. She's like, hey. I'm like, what? What the fuck do you want? I'm trying to go to bed. I gotta get up and like an orange creamsicle moonshine. Eating filet mignon. And your dad's butt. Oh! Actually, I probably could have key jumped that. I'm gonna be off this week, Pam. Just give me... Yeah, that's exactly why. I'm very, very off.
Where is AI singer?
Had an argument and started screaming at me. My dad wouldn't be like, "Oh, you can't yell at my son." He'd be like, "You tell that little prick." I don't understand that. Bother you? I'll send it, I promise. It's not worth it. Good to know. Jason Thompson, hello. So they make a PS5 controller that's the original PlayStation 1 look to it, and it's like a Cole. That's gotta be a Vine or not a. What would that do? Yo, Wesley, what up, man? Appreciate liking the share. Yeah, we're on YouTube now, so if anybody. Oh my God, what am I? Oh, guaranteed I'll get a picture of it. Hold on. 430 credit, probably. 21 years, except for random spurts of doing this or filling in here. Now all of a sudden I'm waking up with a butt fuck. And it's just a few days.
I'm chasing all the money, but who gon' get this money if I don't do it for myself? Bitch, I really do a shit, I'm say shit for my health.
Just fucking barrier killer. I don't care. I just get rid of her. Get rid of her. This is like Nightmare Cafe, but it's kind of like got it's shells. First name Butt made it. You like this?
Did you guys ever hear where this song came from and why it's so dope? Hi Adam, I love you. Clam, thank you for the like, you idiot. Drunk
on the side, and we all just bullshit. It's great. Like, it's legit, like, I love it so much. Oh yeah, like 2 weeks ago, I watched all 5 Twilight movies in a row. Raph wasn't even there. It's doable, but it's asking a lot. It's pretty hard. Ugh. Yeah, they're fucking long as shit, dude.
Stop playing with me on this ass internet.
I can't.
I have to say, when I first heard about this woman's plight, I was not, I confess, especially sympathetic. But then I watched that video and I started to understand her perspective.
Then they call from another number. It's probably the same one that's been trolling like that. What's up, Kimberly? This is Super Mario World ROM hack. It's called Mastery Shells. So it's basically like a modified version of Super Mario World for Super Nintendo. Oh, hell yeah. What was Jay playing? Was he just doing Tomb Raider? What a map. I like this a lot. This is so fun. I love one-room puzzle hacks. Oh, what am I doing? Different city and do a speech. He says at the end of it, it was fucking destroyed. Like, he goes everywhere he went. There was just fucking goddamn giant uproars and fucking people just going nuts. It is muted. I must have bumped it. He's gonna talk. Wait. When? Wow. That's just fucked everything up. What's up, Lindsay? Oh, they're very busy. They're ridiculous. I want local. I don't like Dunkin' really. Their coffee's not my thing. Their bagels are shit. You know, once in a while I'll get like a sausage, egg, and cheese bagel from them. But go to Cumbies.
Screw you!
Oh my god. Yeah, Kenny, did you beat the 3rd level? Or is that where you're at still? I stopped playing because the they just shit on this. Like, they shit on this. I've pulled grossly overweight loads with 60 series Detroits that are like fucking not hot. They're just a regular bucks. Oh, fuck yeah. These people don't think like that. They're just like, they literally threw me a book and they're like, tell me what you need. And like, I'm looking through this book. There's like fucking fully loaded, like, jump off that. Let me see what you mean. Probably not. This game is well treated, and if there was cheese, well, not treated. Hold on. If there was cheese, I probably would have heard about it. Let me. Like, I was close to both of them, but like my pop, man, Pop. I called him Pop when I was older. It was Pop. I had Dad and Pop. You know, they started our family company. It was just.
Wanted to ride some dick that night. Her answer was when. Question was when. She eyed down this dude that.
Fuck. It's giving me shit. The chatbot's so dumb. Thank you for the follow. Fun Blender with the raid. Christina, hello. Adam, hello. What's up, guys? Welcome in. Matt, thanks for the like. So, Gas Pack. I'm gonna check that out, dude. Let me get sick of this shit. Clam, I will try it. This time. No! Oh! Clam, I'm not ready. This is a week. During the week, I grind hacks. This is not a Sunday random Ken thing right now. And have no regrets, and I think that the Bidens are, and it's not the Biden. Here, let's be honest. He was never the president. He was a puppet for like a bunch of higher ups. But it's been shown, like, the money's, the Bidens were this like crimes. It's bad, and it's not just them. It's the fucking Clintons, the Obamas, the whole fucking lot of them. I don't know. Here's my thing. I like Trump. I'm a fan of what he's doing here. What am I doing? I'm hitting a spike. That's progress. And I died. Pissed. Cool. I'm watching my replay back on